Hello YouTubers, it's Brutus, back with another video, and as you guys can see, I'm also on the PS4, just as the previous video. And in today's video I'll be showcasing the new sniper rifle in Battlefield 5. It's actually an overpowered sniper rifle, but if you go ahead and look at it, it's not a sniper rifle. It depends on how you look at it. It's really powerful at, you can say, up to 100 meters in game. So I'm just loading up a game and I'll show you guys the sniper rifle. It is the Boys AT sniper rifle, I think. I know it's the Boys AT something. I'll just check for you guys just now. There's only one thing I don't like about this sniper and that's the fact that you have to lay down to aim down sight. But it's not a problem. Let me just put it here in my class. It's the Boys AT rifle. As you guys can see, the damage is a lot more. And yeah, I put a 6x scope on it. Then I'm good. So hopefully I don't do bad this game. Okay. So, what do I have to deploy? Squads. Let me just mute this, guys, otherwise they're gonna bother me. Okay, so let me just spawn again there. E. So let's check this game out, guys. It's been long since I played Battlefield. Oh, what? Okay. He's using the AT rifle as well. And just put it out. It's really powerful, has a lot of recoil, and don't always prefer it, guys. So just be careful when using this rifle. So this is actually a local lobby for South Africans. Oh. Missed twice in a row. So there's a guy. Okay, so we have lost objective Emil. Just get me from behind. As you guys can see, most of the time it's a one-hit kill, like 90% of the times. Especially close range, it'll be a one-hit kill definitely. So I'm gonna spawn there at D, just waiting for my team to capture it. So there we go, spawn at D. So we'll just have to... So you guys can see, that's quite a distance, but it got a hit marker. So it's not... I won't say it's always a one-hit kill, but most of the times it is. You guys can see there's the guy's head peeking. Just waiting for the right moment though. I'm gonna be on that side now. Just check there again. There he goes. And his friend. Squad spawn, he spawned on me. What? Look at this weird thing. Got him. It doesn't have that many bullets. As you guys can see, I think you spawned with 25 or something. Or 30 rounds. Maybe it's 28. Only takes 4 bullets in the mag. But it's good. The power that it has is brilliant. I love it. There's another guy. Let me just mute him. There we go. Okay, so they're gonna spawn behind me now. Let me use a pistol. We have now taken objective data. Attention, we have lost objective Dora. And you don't need to like lay down sight. you can also like lean on something. Got him though. And just help my friend here.
Gleich geht's dir besser.
Okay. That's good. Someone's trying to shoot me with the AT rifle. It's gonna get me from behind
Granate
now.
geworfen.
Okay. Hit him twice at least.
Objective Caesar has been lost.
Just gonna bleed out. Not waste any more time. Yeah, just spawn on the squad. So it's just a review of this gun, guys. So you don't always have to hate on the videos and so on. Yeah, so I'll check now. Just gonna do a bit more gameplay. Then I'm gonna end the video, but it's just a showcase of the new sniper rifle. I hope I'm not too late to showcase this rifle. See, there runs a guy. Just waiting for the right moment. Just check and see. Hopefully someone spawns there again. There's another person. Just destroy that.
We have lost objective Bertha.
Come on. Just work with me, sniper rifle.
Objective Caesar is now ours.
It's the one thing I hate about this sniper. Okay, so I have to get to the ladder first. Okay. Most probably gonna die as well. Where is this place at?
Good work. Objective Dora is ours.
Got him. With a headshot at least.
Keep going.
Ah, okay. He got me from right. With the 80 as well. Okay, but anyways guys, you put in a 6x scope on it. It's their new sniper rifle in Battlefield 5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, although it was short and kinda stupid. But yeah, I don't know what to say. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope to see each and every one of you guys on my next video. I'll start to do YouTube more than I usually did. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. Have a nice day, guys.